Hello and welcome to a quick step-by-step tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to fill in a redemption form online. First, visit www.bzztrips.com. Great, you are now on bzztrips.com homepage. Click on the redemption link from the top menu bar. Fill in the form with all the required details. Please refer to the sender, your friend, for the guest certificate order number, and, for the package's order number. Please double check and confirm that you have filled in the correct information, then, hit the send button. Our support system will receive your request and will make all the necessary adjustments, if any are required. This completes today's tutorial. If you have any questions, you may contact us at support@bzztrips.com. Have a wonderful journey with Bzztrips.